Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, June 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, June 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 6, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas na para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, June 6, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 33.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 44 million pesos for June 6, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, June 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.